What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Hampton Family Vlog. Welcome back to Just Them Hamptons. I am Princess, and this is
her mom. Jennie. That's me.
Today we'll be trying these baked Lay's potato chips, but they're buffalo chicken sauce flavored.
Yep, we'll be trying these chips. I'm tired, and we outside. And it's kind of warm. Should turn the ceiling on. But we finna try these chips. That buffalo chicken sandwich flavored chips. Mia's in the house doing something. I don't know. You ready? What you think it's gonna taste like? What does it smell like? The fly to the land don't get it to yet. Yeah, these little flies this year, they are terrible. Like, terrible. This is how they look. They smell funny. Taste a pickle. Taste a pickle? I taste pickle. Taste pickle now? I don't taste nothing else but pickle. Scale 1 to 10, what you think?
It doesn't taste like anything.
That's because we got the baked flavor. Maybe if we got to eat them the regular. It's a little spicy, just a tad. But I ain't tasting the chicken. I'm tasting more of the pickle. What would you give it? I give it a 3. Not giving the buffalo chicken sandwich. Not giving it. It's giving me a pickle, but not the sandwich. If you have to get what I'm saying. It's not giving it. Listen. Yeah. Not feeling it. But I'll eat it though. I have to add something to it, like some hot sauce or something. Make it taste better. Mir probably likes it. Somebody finished eating it. Was it you? Somebody finished eating it. Must have been Mir. He's our little Mikey. He eats everything. Whatever's left over. Just fly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. So you won't miss another video from the Hamptons. No, we're not. Just Them Hamptons. We're still getting used to the name. What you think? Because it was just, I don't know. It was time for a change. It was time for a change. We got a lot of new stuff going on. Got a new house. Got a new person. Her. No, this is just a lot of different things going on this year. We just gone. I felt like it was time for a change. It was time for a change. So, if y'all like this type of content, don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe,
and
the post notification bell so you never miss a video from the Hampton Family Vlog.
until next time, see ya.